Life is full of mystery. Could there be life on other planets? What is the meaning of life? Will there be life after death? What is the secret to eternal life? The desire to turn back the clock and slow the aging process is a dream of many, and an obsession for some. From Alexander the Great to Ponce de Leon, the search for the fountain of youth is perhaps the greatest mystery yet unsolved. What would you do with more time? More time to experience what life has to offer. More time to do the things that are most important to us. More time to spend with the people we love. Could the secrets to longevity be hidden atop the highest mountains? Or deep within the darkest oceans? Or maybe even deeper? Contained within every living cell are the building blocks of life. Deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, is a long sequence of genetic instructions that direct the development, the growth, and the reproduction of all known organisms. Bound together by proteins, these long strands of data twist and coil around themselves millions of times to form chromosomes. Tough, hardened crowns of DNA, called telomeres, shield our chromosomes during cellular division. But, much like the ravages of time, our telomeres erode with each cycle, breaking apart more and more, until finally, our cells, DNA and chromosomes can no longer be replicated. When our telomeres break down, tissues age. We break down. But what if there was a way to turn back the clock at the molecular level? What if we could add more sand to our hourglass?
When cells divide, telomeres shorten. And bad things happen when telomeres get short. My life's work has been to find ways to lengthen telomeres using the enzyme telomerase. And what I've discovered represents 40 years of research.
Dr. William Andrews, a leading expert in longevity, and considered by many to be the father of telomere research. In 1993, Andrews and his team became the first to successfully clone the RNA component of human telomerase.
Cloning was just the beginning. We were the first to show that when we put active telomerase into human cells, we made them immortal.
Using the science developed by Dr. Andrews, researchers at Harvard University conducted a decade-long study into the effects of telomerase on older mice. The results were remarkable. The aging process was not only reduced, it was reversed.
We all have the ability to produce telomerase in our body. It's just that biological machinery to do so was shut off well before birth. With the correct telomere support, we can turn that machinery back on.
Introducing PREMERE by VASAYO. Utilizing advanced liposomal delivery technology to stimulate the expression of the telomerase gene and promote overall telomere health like no other. From the Amazon rainforests of South America to the snowy peaks of the Asian mountain ranges, all the way to the lush gardens of Europe, comes a bounty of extensively researched plants and botanicals. Of the more than 12,000 rich ingredients studied and evaluated in the development of PREMERE, 15 were proven to synergistically awaken the genetic code responsible for producing telomerase. PREMERE, promoting youthful vitality and vigor, quality of life, and physical endurance.
We may not have found the fountain of youth quite yet, but what we have discovered is significant. I'm nearly 70 years old, and I've completed over 100 ultramarathons. I'm a product of the science used in the development of PREMERE.
PREMERE, a new global standard in premium telomere support. What would you do with more time? Life is full of mystery.